Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best inflatable lights is probably one of the most innovative lighting solutions available today. These lights offer unparalleled portability and ease of setup, making them perfect for events, camping, or emergency situations. Their inflatable design allows for compact storage and quick deployment, providing bright and efficient illumination wherever you need it. Whether you're setting up a temporary workspace or adding ambience to a backyard gathering, these lights are a game changer. Number 5. LED Module for Inflatables, 20 PCS White Light. These LED modules offer super bright, energy-saving illumination. They are designed to provide high brightness while consuming less energy, making them an environmentally friendly choice. The lights are built with high-quality materials, offering resistance to impact and thermal radiation. This ensures safe and reliable performance for a long time. Each module has a self-adhesive tape on the back, making installation simple. You can also use the screw holes for more secure mounting, making it easy to set up anywhere. With an IP65 waterproof rating, this product can withstand rain and snow. It is perfect for various applications, from home decor to commercial signage. The modules are cuttable every 3 LEDs to fit your needs. They have a long lifespan of over 50,000 hours, ensuring lasting performance and value. Use them to light up your home, decorate commercial spaces, or add flair to events. The lights are perfect for backlighting signs, architectural details, and more. What we like. This LED module boasts high brightness, ensuring your inflatables are vividly illuminated. It's also energy-saving, which is great for your electricity bill. Moreover, its waterproof design means it can withstand various weather conditions. If you're looking for a long-lasting, bright, and weather-resistant lighting solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Easy to use and very bright. I was able to replace the lights with a wire stripper and hot glue gun very easily, and now the decorations shine bright. We used these lights, attached them to the existing ones, and Santa looks great now, better than when he was new. Number 4. DONGERMAER 12V 1.5A Air Blower for Christmas Inflatables. Is your Christmas inflatable looking a little deflated? This replacement air blower is the perfect solution. It will bring your holiday decorations back to life, ensuring they stand tall and bright all season long. Featuring a 12V 1.5A adapter, this blower provides the power your inflatables need. It's designed for diverse Christmas inflatables, making it a versatile choice for your outdoor decorations. Before you order, make sure it's the right fit. Check the voltage, currents, watts, and connector type to ensure it works with your inflatables. This will ensure a perfect match for your needs. The included power supply is UL certified, ensuring safety and reliability. It's suitable for most household power supplies in the United States, giving you peace of mind. This replacement blower comes with a 6.6-foot light string with bright bulbs. Attach it to your inflatables to make them shine. It's a great way to add extra holiday cheer. If you have any questions, contact us anytime. Our service team is ready to assist you with any problems. We are committed to providing premium service. What we like. This replacement blower comes with a light string, adding extra visibility to your inflatables. The UL certified adapter ensures safety and reliability. It's also easy to install, making setup a breeze. If you have an older inflatable that needs a refresh, or you want to add some extra light, this is a great option. What people say. This replacement is better than the original the inflatable came with. It comes with lights. The lights are brighter and the Christmas tree is fully inflated. The old light modules, 5 of them, had only 1 LED on each module, whereas this set has 3 LEDs on each light module, which is much better since it gives more light from inside the decoration at night. With an extra set of lights, 3 lights per. Super bright. I was able to clip the extra in another spot to ensure full illumination. Airflow is great and it's relatively silent, quieter than the other blow-ups we have running. Number 3. Hiboom 12V Mini Air Blower with LED for Inflatables. This is the Hiboom replacement fan blower. It's designed for various inflatable decorations, perfect for indoor and outdoor use. It comes with everything you need to keep your inflatables looking great. The blower operates on a 12V 1.5A adapter, providing a steady airflow. This ensures your inflatables stay fully inflated and look their best throughout the holiday season. It includes a 6.6-foot light string with 3 bright LEDs. Attach it to your inflatables to illuminate them and the surrounding area, creating a festive atmosphere. This fan blower is a great decoration tool for various inflatable shapes. Whether it's a ghost, witch, pumpkin, or ball, it will help bring your decorations to life. The package includes a 1.5A replacement fan blower, a light string with 3 LEDs, and a 1.5A power adapter. The blower is made of durable, insulated, waterproof, and heat-resistant materials. What we like. This mini air blower provides a steady airflow, keeping your inflatables fully inflated. It also features bright LED lights, enhancing the visual appeal. Its compact size makes it easy to manage. If you like a well-lit and continuously inflated display, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Order this replacement and works great with no issues. Installation was easy. This was a great replacement for our elf blow-up. The broken fan was easy to remove and this was very easy to replace. It even came with an extra LED light that I poked a hole and secured with a grommet. Now I want to replace the fan in my other Christmas blow-up decorations because this one is much more bright and vibrant now. This blower was super easy to install into an inflatable yard decoration whose original fan had broken. It took maybe 15 minutes to remove the old motor, install the new motor and lights, and test it out. I'm very happy that I saved a favorite decoration from the trash with this replacement. Number 2. Gemmy JDH1232S Replacement Fan with LED Lights. This is the Gemmy JDH1232S replacement fan. It comes with a 1.5A adapter and is designed for inflatable products. Make sure this is the correct motor for your needs. The fan includes a 6-foot-long light string. It features 3 super bright LED lights. This will help illuminate your inflatable. This replacement fan operates on a 12V 1.5A adapter. It provides the power needed to keep your inflatable running. The adapter is included with the fan. This fan is a replacement for the LX-DC brushless fan DC 12V 1.2A model NO12038. Check your inflatable motor to ensure this is the right fit. It's designed to be a direct replacement. Before purchasing, please check your inflatable motor. This ensures that this replacement fan is the correct one for your specific inflatable. Verify the model number for compatibility. What we like. This replacement fan includes super bright LED lights, ensuring your inflatable stands out. It also comes with a 1.5A adapter for easy setup. The lights are very bright. If you are looking for a quick and easy upgrade with bright lights, this is the one for you. What people say. Even when the inflatable was still wet, it fully inflated the decoration. The lights are very bright too. Fan is plenty strong for this inflatable Santa on the sleigh with 2 reindeer. Took a little bit of patience to reach up inside the inflatable and carefully disconnect the old bulbs and pull out the wiring and restring the no, but with patience comes great reward. Number 1. Gemmy TH-BL3N1 Replacement Fan Blower. Is your inflatable looking a little sad? This replacement fan blower from Gemmy is here to save the day. It will get your decorations back to their full, festive glory. This fan is specifically designed for inflatables that are 10 to 12 feet tall. It provides the necessary airflow to keep them standing tall and proud throughout the season. This Gemmy blower includes 6 built-in lights, illuminating your inflatable. The lights add a beautiful glow, making it a stunning display day or night. The fan comes with a base for easy setup. It's designed for a hassle-free replacement, so you can quickly get your inflatable up and running again. This Gemmy replacement blower is built to last. It's a reliable solution to keep your inflatable decorations looking their best year after year. What we like. This replacement fan is designed for larger inflatables, ensuring they stay inflated. It also includes a base for stability. If you have a larger inflatable that needs a reliable fan, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The blower motor was very easy to install. It took me 20 minutes to remove the old blower motor and install the new blower motor. Works great. Bought to replace one that failed in a Christmas inflatable, worked great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.